Everyone talks about becoming the best version of yourself, but what does that actually mean? Is it more money, better looks, more followers? Not exactly. Becoming the best version of yourself means unlocking the person you are capable of being, emotionally, physically, spiritually, and even mentally. So in this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to evolve into your best self. No more guessing, just action, clarity, and growth. So if you love this topic, please like this video and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is to get clear on who that best version is. And that is clarity, because you can't become what you have not defined. So you ask yourself these questions. What kind of person do I want to be? What does my best self do daily? How do I think, act, speak, and even treat others? So I have a mini exercise for you. Just close your eyes. Picture your ideal self. You're not perfect, right? But you can upgrade. Do I wake up early? Am I kind? Am I confident? Am I calm? Am I consistent? You can write a letter to your future self saying, I do not procrastinate. I finish what I get started. I am grounded in my purpose. So you can't grow towards a blurry goal. You just have to be specific about who you want to be. The second step you need to do is to audit your current self. Now that you have defined your best self, now let's meet your current self. This is where most people stop because it becomes uncomfortable. But this is the truth right here. You can't change what you can't confront. So the questions you need to ask yourself is, what are the habits keeping me stuck? Who or what drains my energy? How do I respond to challenges right now? What excuses do I keep recycling? I realized I was spending up to 4 hours on my phone every day. This doesn't align with the present focused person that I want to be. So I installed screen limit. Small change, but big impact. The gap between who you are right now and who you want to be is your growth path. And it starts with being honest with yourself. The third thing you need to do is to create identity-based habits. Your habits build your identity. Do you want to become your best self? Don't just change what you want to do. Change who you believe you are. Just don't say things like, I want to read more. Say to yourself, I'm the kind of person that likes reading daily. If that's what you want to achieve, that would help your mindset shift and it will really stick. And this will push you to doing it. So if you want to build identity habits, you can start by reading a page a day. Then stack it onto a current habit. Probably, I'm reading a page a day after breakfast. Then make sure it becomes a routine for you. You can also track it visibly by using a calendar or habit tracker. Then celebrate your progress and not perfection. So I want you to know this. Your best self isn't built in a week. It's built in daily deposits. Start small, but start today. And then the fourth thing that I need you to do is to upgrade your environment. Why? Because you become what you are exposed to. If you want to grow fast, then you need to change your environment. So look at your digital space. Are you following people that inspire you to grow, or people that drain your joy? Also, look at your physical space. Is your desk cluttered, or is it calming? Check out your social circle as well. Do your friends pull you forward or keep you stuck? So if you hang around 5 confident people, you'll be the 6th. And if you hang around 5 complainers, you'll definitely be the 6th. You need to level up your circle. If the circle is not helping you to grow, then you need to level up. Not because you want to be better than anybody, but you need to be better than your past self. You don't just need willpower, you also need a winning environment. The last thing that I want you to do is to practice self-compassion and consistency. This one is really underrated. You can't become your best self if you constantly beat yourself up. You're going to sleep, you're going to miss a day, procrastinate, even fall back. But mental toughness is not about perfection. It's about getting back on track without hating yourself. So you need to practice this mantra: progress over perfection, direction over speed. Each night, reflect on 3 wins. Even if the day was messy: I drank more water today, I said no to gossip, I showed up even when I didn't feel like it. The old me always thought discipline meant being hard on myself. But the new me now knows that discipline is love in action. It says, I believe in you enough to stay consistent. Self-compassion keeps you going while consistency gets you there. You don't need to change your life overnight. You just need to show up today a little better than yesterday. So if you have found this video very helpful, please write down in the comment section below, I'm becoming my best self one step at a time. And on my screen here, you'll be seeing a video that promises you great value. Thanks so much, amazing people, for always coming back to watch my video. And until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead, and bye for now.